Hello ID.4 family, this is Yuri with UricAccessories.etsy.com, and tomorrow is a big day for my small company. 1 year since I shipped my first order. Since that day, I have shipped over 6,000 all my products to over 4,000 clients in United States, Canada, in Europe. I want to thank you all for ordering my product from my Etsy shop and Amazon. Thank you again. To celebrate the first year of making 3D printed ID.4 accessories, my gift to you is 20% off on all 3D printed items in my Etsy shop. No minimum and free shipping to United States on orders of 55 or more, and 10% reimbursement on international shipment for the same orders. And for those of you who have not seen my products, here's a quick presentation. So the first product that I developed and shipped 1 year ago was a central console bottom tray. Probably you wondered, what's that void under the central console? Well, it was designed to fit my product. The Volkswagen just didn't know that yet. It comes with felt inside, so items inside don't rattle. You can order it without if you would like to wrap it in carbon vinyl or anything else. I also sell it with a central divider. Sorry, no insert. The second product is the wireless compartment shelf. You put this inside and you can have two phones, one charging wirelessly, one sitting on top, or some other items on top. Or if you don't want to wirelessly charge your phone, just put it on top. The third product is about a camera, about a backup camera height. You probably wonder, why is the picture so dark at night when I'm backing up? It's because the light reflected from the license plate basically blinds the camera and confuses the sensor, and it darkens the picture. So this little gizmo blocks the light from getting into the camera and significantly improves the backup camera picture at night. So a better backup camera hood. Another product that I have for you is the sunglasses tray. It goes with these two blades into those card slots on the top front of your central console. It has a nice felt liner and comes in two finishes: smooth skin and fuzzy skin, like that. And another product is a glovebox light. It's motion activated, so when you open your glovebox, it lights up the inside. So this little thing is an infrared motion sensor. It has a built-in battery that should last over a year. And once you open, you see that it sends my hand and turns on the light. No hand, no light. And the latest product I have is a central box dropping tray. You open the thing and you can drop this inside, and sits on top of it on these two ears, and you can put stuff inside, like your cell phone, purse, wallet, something. Okay, so these are the products that I have for you. Etsy store address is UricAccessories.etsy.com. Please visit and order. Thank you very much.